Children,
But
how are you today?
we are fine, and you?
I am fine, thanks. Sit down, please. What day is it today?
The 7th of April.
Yes. Who is absent today?
Shula is absent.
Yes. Sit down, please. What was the home task?
Exercise 5, page 95.
Yes. Sit down, please. Are you ready?
Yes.
Read the first sentence, Alina.
The players are going to meet tomorrow morning.
Yes, you are right. Read the second sentence, Asuda.
That was brilliant. You manager will very happy with you.
Yes, you are right. Read the third sentence, Deva.
The finalists are going to play at 3 o'clock.
Yes. Lesson objective is learn compound nouns related sport. Listen for general meaning and specific details. Make up sentence with compound nouns. Children, come here, the bird and make a circle. I wish you a nice day.
I wish you health.
I wish you happiness.
I wish you all the best.
I wish you single beauty. I wish you a lucky day.
Take your please sweets. Purple sweets sit to the first group. Green sweets sit take the second group. Self-assessment. Stop. The next task speaking group work. There answer the questions by the method free microphone.
Which sports do you like?
Which sports do you like? Yes.
I like volleyball and basketball. I like to play this.
Yes. Very good.
Do you play any sports?
I can play volleyball.
Yes. Very good. You are right. The next.
Are there sports events for disabled people?
Yes. You are right. Good job.
Yes, of course there is. For example, basketball, swimming, cycling, archery, and others.
Yes. Excellent.
What is the most famous Paralympic sport?
Yes.
The main Olympic Games are followed by the College Para Olympics. The most popular Para Olympics the games weightlifting, athletics, swimming, skating, and basketball.
Yes. You are right. Good job. Our next task number is 1. Open your copy books and write there. Then listen and check. Today's grammar is compound nouns. A compound noun is a noun that includes two or more than two words by mixing them in a single noun. List of compound noun. Bag. bathroom, chopstick, homework, seashell, coastline. The next task number is 1. It is prayer walk. I give you worksheets. Prayer walk. Matching. Let's start first sentence, Nuristan.
Rafael Nadal is a tennis player.
Yes.
The twin front is a cycling competition.
Yes, you are right. Third sentence. Read the third sentence. Batahan.
Wembley is a football stadium.
Yes, you are right. Good job. Fourth. Nur Muhammad.
Ram Salam is a cycling tournament.
Yes. Fifth. Darika.
The Detroit Pistons are a basketball team.
Yes, you are right. Asılzat.
Usain Bolt is a running champion.
Yes. Tamam.
Yeah.
Now, children, the next task number is 4. Write true or false.
Track 3.5. Vocabulary and listening. Exercises 3 and 4. 1. Susan.
Susan, what are your plans for next season? What are you going to do?
Well, I'm not going to prepare for any skiing competitions next season. My plan is to go to schools and talk to kids about sport, especially sport on the disabled.
So, where are you going to go?
From October, I'm touring the country for 3 months. Then I'm starting a disabled ski school in January here in Colorado.
Are you going to be one of the skiing instructors?
Yes, I am. It's going to be such fun.
I'm sure it will be a success.
Thanks.
Then listen. Read the false or true sentence. Read the first sentence. Sandukash.
Susan is going to prepare for a ski competition next year. False.
Yes. Musliman.
Susan is going to talk to children about sport.
Yes, you are right. Miri.
Susan is going to compete in the next Olympic Games. False.
False. Yes. Alina.
Harriet has got 11 gold medals. True.
True. Yes, very good. So the last task of our today's compound nouns. It is group work. Yes. Here, Alina and Asılzat. Darika and Sandukash. Come here. Read the words. Compound nouns.
Breakfast.
Breakfast, yes.
Airport.
Airport.
Snowman.
Snowman, yes.
Skateboard.
Yes. Skateboard,
Goldfish.
yes. Good job.
Goodbye.
Mm-hmm.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Football.
Football,
Sunshine.
yes. Bedroom. Good job. Very good.
Airport. Football. Butterfly. Snowman. Newspaper. Goodbye. Skateboard. Friendship. Sunshine.
Breakfast,
Goldfish. Bedroom.
yes. Very good. Mm-hmm. Thank you, sit down, please. It's time to reflection. Now I will give you reflection task. Block Yes. Sandokash?
I like it the lesson and I learned a lot of the method of learning.
I give you an assessment sheet at the beginning of our lesson.